Most factories still drill and mill wooden parts, one side at a time, one setup after another, losing hours on repositioning and manual handling. That's exactly where productivity breaks down. The WM-4x4A6JR is built to eliminate that problem. This is a 4-axis CNC drilling and milling machine equipped with 16 tools, spindles, and an advanced 180-degree rotating clamping system, allowing machining on up to 5 sides of the workpiece in a single cycle. Clamp once, machine multiple faces, rotate automatically, and keep moving. Long wooden components, chair legs, table legs, frames, and structural parts are processed faster, cleaner, and with consistent accuracy. The rigid industrial frame absorbs vibration, while the professional CNC control system keeps every movement precise and repeatable, even in continuous production. Less handling, shorter cycle time, higher output with the same workforce. Watch carefully, because this is what efficient woodworking, automation really looks like when speed and precision work together.